Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys, this screen color setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we disable guys this setting. When we call it guys color correction setting, friends, you can see guys your phone icon color is different and guys skin color is also different. So how can we disable this setting guys? In this video guys we will talk about it. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we disable this setting guys. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your infinix phone guys phone setting guys. So we will on it. After on phone setting guys, you will have to click on guys your phone special function setting guys. Click on guys phone special function, and friends, you can see this type of setting. So how can we disable the setting guys? We can disable from accessibility setting. Then guys again scroll, as you can see color correction mode guys, you will have to tap here to disable it. After disable guys, come back, as you can see guys phone icon color, guys skin color will default mean normal color. So without any color correction, we can operate our Infinix phone device. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye, guys.